Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this super cute cactus mat coaster. This tutorial starts with already finished crochet flat circle mat. Check the link in the description to find my tutorial on crochet flat circle mat. We need some yarn, 3 mm crochet hook, scissors and crochet needle. Now we will make some hand stitch on top of the circle. It will look like the V-shaped stitch. After finishing the V stitch all over the circle, we will make a flower on top of the mat. So let's start with a magic circle and make chain of 3. Then take 3 double crochet in the circle. After that, we have to take 2 chain and make slip stitch with the circle. Again, make 2 chain from slip stitch, then 3 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch. Complete the round, repeating the same steps. Attach the flower with the mat. Here is our final look of this cute crochet flat circle cactus mark coaster. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you.